Good morning. So I'm going to try something new. This is the Monday Minute with Dr. Val. So I'm going to be coming to you on Monday mornings to kind of give you an update on where we are in class, what's going well, what's not going well, what's might be shaky, and what we're going to be doing in the next couple weeks. So the first thing I want to talk about is, oh, I'm sorry, I have emails coming in like crazy, is lab kit pickup. So quite a few of you have been asking me about lab and what are we doing in lab? Are just the lab activities all we're doing in lab? No. The first 4 chapters that we're covering, quite frankly, are kind of simple. I mean, not simple, cell structure, membrane structure, those are difficult concepts actually. But all we really do in class is look at a model of the cell. We look at tissue slides. Those are going to be coming out. It's been a little bit difficult for me to get some really good histological representations of tissues, but those are coming this week. And so what we're doing now is as the end of Unit 1 approaches, we're going to wrap up looking at these smaller items. And in Unit 2, we're going to transition into systems, okay? So to do that, we're going to be using real lab specimens. So on Monday, September 14th, we're going to be opening up the lab for a period of time during the day for students to come and pick up boxes that we've prepared for you. In these boxes are dissection specimens. So those specimens are going to be a preserved rabbit, a preserved heart, a sheep brain, a sheep kidney, and a cow eye. And so what you are going to be doing is taking these boxes home, and you will be dissecting the specimens at home and making videos for me of your dissection, showing me what you've done, or maybe taking pictures. I haven't quite gotten that down yet, but will need to see a picture of you dissecting your specimen. So whether or not it's video or just a still picture, we'll get to. It may be that videos will take up too much memory. I'm not sure how that's going to go yet, but we're working on that. So within the box, in addition to the specimens, you're going to be receiving large Ziploc bags to put the specimens into once you've opened them. Every specimen is going to be vacuum sealed with solution, a little bit of solution to keep the specimen fresh, and a dissecting tray. But we are going to ask you to please purchase your own dissection kit, maybe off of Amazon. I think they're $8. I will find a couple of examples of dissection kits that will be appropriate for you and post them in I'll send out an announcement with a attachment showing you which sets would be appropriate. You don't need anything super fancy. You also will need a pair of glasses, lab glasses. You can use safety goggles or safety glasses. If you wear regular glasses, that's usually okay. What you want to do is have something that'll protect your eyes if any of that fluid splashes, okay? We are going to give you bags of gloves so that you can be protected from the preservative solution. And we will also include, I think we're including a couple extra Ziploc bags in case you need to store your specimens. Here is something that's going to be very, very important. At the end of the semester, you are going to need to return all of those specimens back to Merced College. It is going to be worth points, okay? If you do not do this, and if they end up in the landfill, that's going to be a problem. So preserved specimens should not be thrown away. We will get to that more as we proceed through the semester. So lab kit pickup, Monday, September 14th. The next question, chapter quizzes. So, all right, here's my first problem that I came up with. So one of the things that I decided to try this semester are having these opening unit objectives and dates tables. I usually go through my semester organizing using my syllabus. I mean, I've always done that. But now that we are working online, a lot of professors seem to really like this objectives and dates table so that students can say, oh, I completed this, or that. And so the first couple weeks it went okay, chapter 1, chapter 3, but again, I forgot. and kept working with the syllabus. So you should have had a quiz this weekend, but I was looking at this, I don't know why, and I got confused. So what I am going to do, all right, is I am going to switch when the quiz is going to happen for chapter 3-4. Chapter 3-4 quiz, so here's the chapter 1 quiz. It was worth 10 points. The 3-4 quiz was supposed to happen yesterday. I'm going to postpone it. I was going to postpone it until the 6th, but the problem is you still have a chapter 5 quiz to take on the 6th, and your exam is on the 8th. So what I would like to do, and I'm going to do this in person here. Check it out. I get to edit on the fly. I'm going to edit this document so that you can take the chapter 3-4 quiz. Is it going to let me edit? Is it going to let me edit? Here we go. The chapter 3-4 quiz instead of the 6th. I think we should probably do this on, let's come down here, because see, the 6th would be Sunday, and then you're taking an exam. It's too much. I would like to do this quiz on Thursday the 3rd. All right, so that will be 9-3. There we go. I will be posting the cell division and tissue slides today or tomorrow. Again, I'm running this through another group because we're all trying to post the same things. Lab activities 2 and 3. The rest of the dates I'm just going to leave on the 6th for you, okay? The rest of these I will leave alone because I just got confused. What I'm going to be doing for the next unit is I may not break it up this way. I may just do it by the week because I think what I did was I became overwhelmed with the number of weeks in here. Plus, I went from chapter 1, we skipped 2 because it was all chemistry, and moved on to 3-4. So I'm sorry, my apologies. That was my fault, but we do need to maintain the September 8th exam deadline. The reason being is that if we don't take the test on September 8th, that's going to push us back 1 week, and you're going to need that time for the bones and the muscle chapter. And memorizing all the bones and muscles takes time. If I'm going to give you extra time, I want to give you that extra time during the bones and the muscle. Okay, other systems we can shorten a little bit, but that one's really, those two are really important. All right, so what I will be doing today is meeting with you guys at 1 o'clock for office hours. So remember, office hours today. You can go to the syllabus and let's go back up here to the syllabus, go to modules. You can come over here to syllabus. And if you ever need to find the Zoom office link, it's right there. Okay, the office hours link. So come to office hours. Sometimes we talk about fun stuff. Sometimes I'm sitting here alone eating my lunch. But come to office hours, visit with me for a little bit, and we'll get all these things sorted out. Definitely by Wednesday, all these changes will be put in place, and the final content will be put in place so that you can continue studying for the exam. The Chapter 5 lecture video will probably be done by tomorrow because I fell behind by mistake. My apologies. Chapter 4 is up, but I need to do Chapter 5. All right. So if you have any questions, please let me know through email. Come to office hours, and I apologize. You know, I should have just paid attention to my syllabus. Just cut and pasted that out. Anyways, take care, and I will be talking to you guys soon. Bye-bye.